Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ailey if you're new, and today's video is going to be all about hair. So I was contacted a few weeks ago by the brand Uncurly and asked if they could send me out their DIY keratin treatment to give it a try. And if you have seen my video on dyeing my hair this purple colour, then you'll have seen how crazy my hair is. I'll put a picture here if you want to see what I'm talking about. It's insane. It has been like this since I was really little. It used to be crazy, crazy curly. Like, I mean, it could be like a way down to here, but it would sit up here because it was so curly. Anyway, I of course jumped at the opportunity and I got it, but then I realised that I had to like dye all my roots and stuff like that before I used it, so it's taken me a little while to sort of get round to reviewing it. Anyway, fast forward, I actually have some clips. Now, the clips are so out of order that I have no idea what is going to go in where, so I'm just going to sort of wing this. But basically, last weekend I finally did the treatment, and what happens is you wash your hair. I don't have the other bottle with me because I washed my hair at my boyfriend's house and I left it there. But it comes like this. This is the actual keratin treatment itself, and you get another bottle exactly the same size, and it's basically clear, and it's just a clarifying shampoo. I will put on the screen and in the description box below all of the information about this, as well as a link to their website, how much it costs and everything like that. I'll do all that because I don't want to try and remember that just now because I'll just get it wrong. So anyway, you wash out your hair and you either let it air dry or blow dry it, and then you apply this. You apply it sort of like a serum, not trying to kind of get an idea, not super saturating your hair, i.e. when you comb it through it gathers on the comb, but enough to make it sort of damp. And then, I mean, this stuff, it doesn't smell bad in here. No, it just smells sort of a little bit chemically, but when you're using it, aim a fan on your face or sit by an open window or something like that, because it will burn the shit out of your eyes, and it will sort of, it'll hurt your nose and kind of hurt your throat a little bit. So I will say it is quite potent. You do have to be careful with that. Now, I have really, really long hair. I actually probably should just take it out just now. But I'm going to be washing this today. This is like the day before my wash, or like the day of my hair wash. So don't mind it just now, but we'll get to that in a second. So you apply that, and then once it's all in and applied, you wait for, I think it was 20 minutes. Where's my little doodah? No. Here it is. Yeah, wear gloves with this because obviously it can dry out your hands and stuff like that, and I didn't notice any problems when I used gloves. And I actually did touch my hair when I was doing the straightening and stuff like that, and it didn't affect them at all. So it says here, you have got to wait 20 minutes once it's all applied all over your head. Don't rinse it out, and then take your straighteners and straighten your hair. You've got to do around about, where does it say, 4 to 6 passes, I think it was, or something like that, 4 to 5 passes over your hair until the kind of weird sort of greasy feeling leaves it and it turns silky. Now, I have to say, mine kind of stayed a little bit greasy, but it was completely bone dry, and you know, it was kind of poker straight. And then after your hair cools down, you can do anything with it. I'm pretty sure I threw mine up in a bun, but you can basically just, you could pleat it, you could curl it, you could do anything with it that you want. It won't affect it. So, but you've got to then keep your hair dry for at least a day. I did it for 2 days just because of the way it worked out with me washing it, and then you can wash it out and you can style your hair as normal. Now, I'm going to put in a clip here or over my face or whatever of me just after I blow dried it, after I washed the stuff out. And I can't remember if I was like really showing that I was blown away in that video, but I am blown away. So yeah, I'll let you watch kind of that little bit. So for this little clip, basically what I've done is I've done the treatment, I've washed my hair, I've done the treatment, I have done all the steps involved, and it's now like 3 days later or something like that. This just happened to be when I could actually wash my hair, or is it 2 days later? 2 days later. Whatever. Anyway, you only have to keep it on for a day, but it wasn't convenient for me to wash my hair after that. And what I did today was I washed my hair for the first time. So I washed out the keratin treatment and I blow dried my hair, hence why it's in a bobble just now. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like before I straighten it, because this is kind of unbelievable. This is my hair blow dried. Excuse the kink in it, that's obviously from my bobble because I just went downstairs and had some lunch. But that's insane. Hold on till I zoom you out. Okay, so that's a little bit better. You can actually kind of see my hair when it like sit on my leg and get a dead leg now. But here is, my hair's so long now you can probably, it's probably just in frame and no more. But look at this. I'm going to put up a photo here of what my hair is normally like after blow drying. If you're a subscriber or you've seen my channel in the past, you'll have seen this already if you've watched any of my other hair videos. But this is, what a difference. I mean, it's not poker straight, it's not, you know, like I don't have to straighten my hair. But to be honest, if I was on holiday and I couldn't be arsed straightening my hair, I'd wear it like this. This is like what people's hair is like, and I'm like, oh my god, I wish I had your hair. Look at it. This is like my hair 3 days after I've straightened it. I can't believe it. I mean, I've tried keratin treatments and straightening treatments, like chemically straightening my hair in the past, and I've never seen results like this before. So this is pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm filming a video just now. I'm actually filming a video on this guy. So if you haven't seen it, I'll link it up here for you. But this is my hair just now. I mean, it's been a week and there's no puffiness in my hair. There is no sort of frizziness. I'm completely and absolutely blown away. And this is a 4-ounce bottle and I've only used about 1/3 of it, if not just a little bit more. But like I say, look at the length of my hair. I mean, it comes all the way down to my belly button almost now, and that's how much I needed to do this. So you could probably use it a couple of times. I will update the description box with how long this lasts. It's just I don't want to wait that long before I put this video up, because I have a feeling it's going to last a while. And obviously, I mean, I'm hoping, even if it was like 3 months, so once every 3 months you had to do this, I would definitely do it. I'm going to go and see about ordering myself some more once I do this one more time, so that I make sure that I have this. I definitely need it for my holiday, everything. I'm absolutely in love with the stuff. So yeah, I guess you can see I am definitely impressed with it. I can't believe that I'd never heard of this. 2 years ago, I wanted to chemically straighten my hair or like use a keratin treatment, and I got one off eBay. I can't remember, no, was it eBay, was it Amazon? I think it was Amazon, and it was rubbish. It really did nothing for my hair, and I thought it was going to completely fry my hair. And I just wish that maybe this wasn't around then, but I just wish that I'd known about this. So I want you guys to know, if you have frizzy curly hair like me and you want rid of it, like, don't get me wrong, I love curly hair, I think it's beautiful, but mine, you've seen the picture, it's not curly. So yeah, this product has been an absolute godsend. I'm so glad that I now have it. Thank you guys so much for getting in touch with me. I am so delighted that I now have this product in my life. It makes drying and straightening my hair 10 times faster than it used to be, and so much less of a chore. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to know any more about the product and you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Check my description box for all the details, where you can buy this stuff, how much it costs, etc, etc. And yeah, if you enjoyed, then I would love if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more hair videos, or if you want to see an update on this, let me know and I could definitely do that for you. But I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!